that you want to give your Sunday offering. You are saying, Sunday, I cannot go without giving him an offering. There's a church account that I'm putting on the screen right now, and I want you to put your offering in the church account. Put your offering, put your seed, put your tithe. Don't hesitate. Don't listen to the devil. Don't listen to what people say. Don't listen to what your man says. Listen to what God says. Bring your tithe, give your offering, give your seed, and God will bless you. It has been a great...
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in to this channel. Guys, we are talking about the Prophet Bushiri's video. I saw him trending on social media, and social media reacted with shock and calling him selfish and cruel, guys. So I want to ask you guys, was there anything wrong with the pastor asking or requesting the church members to give offering during this critical time of lockdown? If you're a Christian, you know that we are always encouraged, even by the Bible, to give the tithe and the offering regardless of the situation. So my advice to you guys, if you have money, or my advice to the church members, is that if you have money, you can offer, but if you don't have, you don't have. Maybe the prophet wants to pay the church expenses. But guys, you can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Ukuthi pastor, was he wrong na ukuthi athi ucela offering abantu they must send the offering via the bank account of the church? Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.